So I'm going to take you on a journey with me, and we're both going to discover how this goes together. I got this cord detangler or cord protector. Essentially, here's my headphones. As you can see, this thing's like tangled beyond belief. Right? I'm not really sure how it happened. I just work within my vocal booth, and it's not like I'm doing spin or twirls or anything. This just kind of ends up like this. So at one point I used to be free and flowing because I had so much room, and now I'm kind of like, eek! And I feel like sometimes I'm like a girl debraiding her hair in the booth because it's just like a tangled mess. So what this offers to do is wrap all around the cord and prevent it from tangling the way it is now. So I'm gonna take a chance on this. This was originally an idea in my mind. How can I prevent this? So I decided to take a dive into this. So this is gonna be a little time consuming. I'm not gonna show you all of this. I'm just gonna start wrapping it up, and we'll see where it goes from there. So essentially, I'm just going to open it up, slide it in, and we're gonna repeat this process all the way until it's fully inside. All right, so after about an hour of tediously just fitting the headphone cord into this, it's all done. I think I'm gonna just kind of leave the end just kind of free, and I'll just kind of cut this off right here. Yeah, and we'll do that. All right, so I mean, yeah, as it is right now, it doesn't look like it's going to curl up in any kind of way. I'm going to do one final test. I'm going to jump into the booth. I'm just going to plug it in. And I'm going to get a sense of, is this going to be too noisy for the work that I'm trying to do? And yeah, let me just get some final impressions. So let's jump in there and just kind of wrap it up. All right, so never once in my life did I think I'd give a review or final thoughts on plastic or rubber cabling that actually covers your headphone wires, but it looks like this has become a success. I will say this: it's a bit weighty. I feel kind of like a bit of a weightier side, but there is no way this thing is actually going to tangle in any kind of way. Yeah, I maybe because it's such a long cord, I just may actually just kind of rope it around here so there's less of it. Oh, that works just fine. Yeah, and just kind of work like that. Yeah. I mean, now that it's hanging from something, the cord's long enough, it doesn't feel kind of weighty at all. As far as sound, am I going to get sound when I'm actually using this? Well, maybe. I mean, I hear some slight things, but I'm not really doing this as I'm voicing stuff, and yeah, time will tell, but yeah. All right, I hope this video kind of helped you out, and maybe you were having the same struggles as I was as far as having your cords just completely twisting up and tangling up like a crazy braid, and just making things kind of unfortunate for our situation, what we're trying to do. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Enjoy. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. I don't remember what this was called. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can, check out future videos that are coming out. Hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also, the experiment that's going on here, and also break that bell button so you can be notified for future videos, because why not? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. All right, so it looks like we got to figure this out for now.